Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I wanted to sit down and share a little bit of an encouragement with you guys, a word of encouragement for the homeschooling mom as we head into the curriculum purchasing season of homeschooling. Last year, I think I made a video on how I specifically choose my homeschooling curriculum, and everything I shared in that video remains the same. So I will link it down below if you want to listen to, a more detailed explanation on how I go about choosing homeschooling curriculum. But I wanted to sit down and just kind of share my heart with you guys, because I feel like sometimes in homeschooling, especially those of us who have been doing this for a long while, it can be tempting every single year to look at something different, even though you don't need to be looking at anything different, right? There isn't always something better. There isn't always something more fun and exciting. There isn't always something that might help your child more. Now, I'm not saying that sometimes that isn't the case, so don't hear me there, but I'm just saying that there isn't always something that we're missing. So I want to encourage you guys that if you find yourself in a similar position as I am this year in my homeschool, where I pretty much know exactly what we're going to be using for every single subject already, because I am so content and happy with what we're using. I feel my kids are learning and growing and being challenged in all the right ways. I feel very at peace with the curriculum choices that we have made over the past 5-6 years that have kind of led us to this point of where I really just don't see us changing things. I don't see us making drastic switches. I've tried the things I've wanted to try through my experience, and I've just decided that what works best is sticking with what works. So hear that again. What works best is sticking with what works. So I would like you guys to take that little bit of wisdom and encouragement from me as you head into the season where you might be thinking, oh, it would be fun to try that, or it would be fun to bring in this. Ask yourself, is there an actual need to do that? Do you need to bring something new into your homeschool? Do you need to change things? Or are you personally just being, distracted or having your attention drawn somewhere else simply for the fact that something new and shiny is out on the market and everyone seems to really like it? I never think that is a wise choice, and I have seen the value and the fruit in my children's education of sticking with the same curriculum programs for longevity. Every time you switch a curriculum, your child inevitably will have to either review or skip, or it's done differently and they have to learn how to navigate a new piece of curriculum. And while getting through that is good and okay when there does need to be a change, doing that every single year, I personally believe, and it is my own conviction in my own homeschool, but I'm just sharing it with you now that my kids are in their last 2 years of high school, that sticking with a curriculum really creates a cohesivity in your homeschool. Everyone isn't learning how to use a new curriculum every single year. That is exhausting. And your kids are able to continue forward without there being, large review sections because this curriculum is structured differently than the one they were using previously, and so on. So I just wanted to sit down with you guys and have a quick little chat about curriculum, because it can be very distracting and it can be tempting to shake things up even when they don't really need to be. And I don't necessarily think that that's the best thing to do. I think moms who who constantly want something new and exciting, and I relate to that a little bit just because it's fun, but it's not always the best option for your kids. It definitely would not be the best option for my kids, and so I just want to encourage you guys with a word of consistency. And you know, like I said, don't change things that aren't broken. Don't fix what's not broken. That applies to homeschooling curriculum as well. So on the note of homeschooling curriculum, when can you guys expect to see curriculum videos coming out here on my channel? I'm going to do my best to get them up for you guys in the month of May. I will do them by grade level. Can you even believe it that I will have an 11th grader, a 10th grader, a 8th grader, and a 6th grader, I think. Yes. Those lines get blurry, especially for my younger two. But if my kids were in public school, that is what their grade level would be. So, wow. Some of you have seen my youngest daughter grow from doing preschool with me at 4 years old, and now here we are in the 6th grade. It's wild. So those videos will be coming to my channel in the month of May, hopefully, and there will be some new things because my oldest daughter is in her last 2 years of high school. So we're trying something new this year. We'll see how it goes, and you know, as with all things that I've always shared on my channel, I share with you guys, but I'm also learning simultaneously. So I don't like to advocate for something until we've done it. So I will keep you posted on those new things, but you'll see that in the curriculum videos. And if you at all are interested in finding out, you know, what we're going to be using in our curriculum for our curriculum choices next year, which I've already spoiled, will be largely the same as it was this year, then you can join my membership, which is down below, because I will be doing a live unboxing early over there. I did it last year. It was a lot of fun. All the homeschool mom excitement, I could feel it through the screen and through the chat, and if you were on there, you remember it. So I'll be sharing and showing you guys everything that we'll be using in our upcoming homeschool year in the membership in April. So if you would like to join us for that, you can click the link down below to join. But I wanted to kind of share with you guys when I'll be putting up curriculum videos, because I know this time of year everyone wants reviews and all of that, and I just don't like to review a curriculum until I'm almost done with it, just because there could be surprises at the end or something like that, especially if it's new to me. So I will probably put up my choices for next year before I put up end of the year reviews. So just so you guys know what you can expect here on my channel. I've been posting little updates on curriculum reviews on Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, that link is also down below. And I hope this video was encouraging, at least the beginning half of it. I wanted to kind of give you guys a little update on curriculum. And so look out for those videos in the month of May. If you want a sneak peek, an early review, and to chat with me live about it, you can join the membership. That will be down below. And just remember that if you don't need to change it, don't try to change it. What works best is what works best. So continue on. If you are feeling happy, your kids are happy, there's no need to go looking for something different. Consider yourself blessed that you don't need to spend hours going down the curriculum spiral reviewing things this year, because that is where I find myself, and I'm actually really happy to be there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy homeschool mom encouragement. It's a free way to support my channel, and it just gets my videos shown to more people, which is what I am here to do, is encourage those to take the leap into homeschooling and then encourage you guys to keep going. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again really soon. Bye, friends.